HABOTEST HT121. It is a pen type multimeter, 4000 count. It CATIII600V. Its TESTPEN is 68 cm long. CATIII600V 10mm PVC cable, and it is a 4 mm plug. It DC warp 0.8V to 600V. AC warp is 0.8V to 600V. Resistor wing 1 ohm to 40 megaohm. Continuity when less than 50 ohm may be turned on. Capacitor is 40 nF to 4 MF. Frequency wing is 40 Hz to 4 MHz. Let's see the meter. Inside the meter have a test pen. One test pen, it back. 1P of battery. And the HABOTEST contact telephone and the company. There is a repair card. And a user menu. It Chinese. And let's see the menu first. That is the first page. Okay. The meter comes with a AAA battery, a test pen, CATIII600V, 10mm, it in bed, and have a more cover. We remove it first. And this is a PVC cable, PVC. And have a 4mm plug jack. A bed. Okay. And a protect band. A more cap. It double. And at the tip they have another plug. And this is the function key. And this is the hold key and the backlight key. This is the power on switch. And this is the logo, HT121. And that is the battery compartment. The battery compartment is hard to open. When you screw up the screw, it must be take a very hard to open it, or use a screwdriver. and make a force to come up. But be careful of this one, they have a more angle. Be careful for broken down of this one. And the positive is in the right side. The U2 of the battery. 2 of the battery. The positive in the top side, right side. Sorry. There is power on the meter, maybe in auto mode. And put this one maybe in a hole. Long part of this one maybe the torch on. Long part maybe turn off. And put this one maybe in the function. DC, AC, resistor, continuity, die test, hertz, capacity, and the live test, and the phase sequences test, and return to auto. Okay, let's test the meter. Let's compare the meter. There is a AV008. The meter have small skin size. It about 12. It about 14 of the skin. It bigger than before this pen version. Let's compare the size in the skin. Okay, peel off the protect skin. For this one may be easy for see the reading. Okay, let's testing. Weapon voltage test. 2.5 watt. ISO 2.507. 5 watt. ISO 5 watt. 7.5 watt, ISO 7.51 watt. 10 watt, ISO 10.01 watt. Okay, next test. And now use this meter for testing the light bulb. You can. This is the light bulb. This is the neutral. This is the earth. It light bulb check okay. You the back test it now. For this one, neutral no, earth no, knife no. It's only you the wet test it for testing the light bulb like this. Resistor test. 1 ohm. ISO 0.9. 10 ohm. ISO 10.2, 10.4K, ISO 10K 100.6K, ISO 100.3K, 10 meg. So with 10.9 meg, ISO 10.9 meg, very okay. 20.3 meg, ISO 22.17 meg, 40 meg, it overload. Oh, it's okay. ISO the 40.2 meg is okay. 60 is not so. This meter mix is 40 megaohm. It's okay. Weapon resistor and capacitor test. Now check the resistor first. Resistor is 4.98 km. Now to the cap. ISO 119.4 nanofarad. Okay. Next test. Continuity and B-sound test. If far contact, they have a B and a green light come out. And the max dB about 80. Now it's 75. Okay. The meter say that under 50 maybe B sound on. Then maybe under 50 Okay. Next test. Dye test mode testing. ISO 0.5 watt. It's okay. Testing the dye. Okay. And we use the dye test mode testing the LED. It can light on the red test LED, sorry. Yellow, okay. And have a reading. Green also okay. Blue, cannot. White, cannot. Okay. Let's see another function. Normal frequency test. ISO 50 Hz. Okay, next test. This meter mini is 1 Hz. If under, there may be false reading, maybe 700 microhertz. ISO 0.62 Hz. It not accuracy of this one. Okay. Next. And this meter make is 30 megahertz about. Now is 29.99 this display. and the output is 30 megahertz. If more, the meter may be wrong reading of this one. Okay, next test. High voltage DC test. First, power on the meter. And test. First is 111 watt DC, and this meter 110.9. And bigger. First is 276 watt AC, and this meter shows 276.3 watt. Okay. Higher. 500. And this meter shows 526, same as the full. And this meter makes voltage is 600 watt. And now test the higher, 1K watt. Now it's in 1K watt. We try the meter. 1050 watt DC. And this meter maybe have a warning sound come out. And now close it. Okay, next test. Dynamo output voltage. Its dynamo output voltage is 2.263 watt DC. DC consumption current test. In the first open about 20 milliamp. Normal is 7.5 milliamp. And at the top about 60 or 17 milliamp. Okay. Meter T down of HT121. Let's open before this one. In the battery compartment. And there is a 121 back cover. They have a screw in the back side. Okay, let's see the meter. Okay, let's open it. There is the inside. They have two PTC in the incoming and the tip sensor. The input jack. There is the backside. And this is the micro buzzer. And then this come with a LCD screen and the backlight. And the inside have a micro relay. And then this is the another part, a soft plus key. Okay, T down finished. And this meter have auto cool off function. When not in use 15 minutes, maybe auto shut down. Let's test. Phase rotation sequence test. You must be put this switch to the phase rotation sequence test function and test. Now is in ABC. A, B, C, it clockwise. And next test is BCA. Put again. B, C, A. Now BCA. Equal Y. Next test CAB. C, A, B, equal Y. Next test CBA. C, B, A, it anti-clockwise. Next test BAC. B, A, C, anti-clockwise. And next test is ACB. A, C, B, anti-clockwise. It finished the test function, but this meter must be contact the phase bare phase screw can okay. It is because this meter weight of insulation conductor for testing. Okay.